Hi everyone, I'm Andrew Moore and you're tuned in to another Your Library at Home here at Gail Borden Public Library. I'm in Studio 270, that's our high school teen center here in Gail Borden Public Library, and today we're going to talk about making some do-it-yourself merchandise. So we got a few things that get used a lot here in the studio, and that's our vinyl sticker maker and then our button and magnet maker. I'm going to talk about the latter today, the button/magnet maker. And if you're a high school age teen in the library district, then this is available to you anytime that the library is open. You can make up to 10 buttons or magnets or combination of both per day for free, and then they're 5 cents a piece after that. So when you come in and you let us know that you're interested, we're going to give you a USB drive. It says Gail Borden here. There's button maker files in there. We got 2 sizes, 1.5 inch. We'll pull that up. That's this size here, and then versus the smaller size buttons. So if you see in comparison, here's the 1.5 and then here's the smaller ones. I'll show you how those look. So there's more of those. See, I'm gonna stick to the 1.5s today. So first of all, you're gonna find the file that you want to make into a button. I got some stuff that I've already got on the desktop here, so I'm going to right click, send to back. That's going to put it behind the circles. And then I've got to resize this artwork to fit within there. So general rule of thumb, I try to make sure I leave a little bit of space around the border, just enough to make sure I'm not going to cut anything off of the logo. Now I could right click, copy and paste that. Now I got another one same size that I could pull into another button here. Cool. Let's try another logo here. This is a different version of our Digital Media Lab logo. Looks like this one's already behind, so great. Just got to resize it. Let's see how this fits in here. Cool. Let's try another one. This logo is Scales Off Media. They're a media film company from here in Elgin, Illinois. So I'll send it to back, resize. A little smaller here. Cool. So let's see how some more like traditional visual art looks here. This is a piece of art from an artist named Panda Ivy that she made for a record I put out called Dark Skies, Tainted Waters. Let's see, let's get that in there. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna make another one a little different size. So I'm holding Alt or the Option key and dragging, and that's gonna duplicate the file. Cool. Send that to back again. Let's make it a little different size, give it a little different look on this one. Cool. Alright, and now for the sake of time, I'm just gonna again Alt Option drag these in here and fill out the rest. Maybe it's not perfect, but I'm gonna leave that there. Great, so we're all set. Don't worry about the excess around here because that's gonna get cut off anyway. I'm gonna go to File, Print. I wanna make sure that the color printer is selected, which it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and print that. And then I'm gonna cut them out and I'll show you what to do next from there. Okay, I've got a few printed up, cut out, and actually, so as I was telling you before about the resizing, that you want to make sure you don't get too close to the edge. Well, I don't know if you can see too much here the way that this focuses in, but I actually did get some of the logo folded over onto the side. So when resizing, go even smaller than what I did. Use even a little more caution. Don't make that same mistake I did, so you make sure you get your full artwork in that button. That's all right, we still got these to use as examples. So for starters, making a button, you're gonna take one of these base plates here. You want the end that's protruding outward to be facing up. So you're gonna put that piece into the shallower of the two holes in here. So go ahead and, again, the side that's protruding outward facing up into the shallower of the two holes. You're gonna take your design facing upward, put it over the top of that. And then you're gonna grab one of these pieces. It's like a polyurethane plastic covering that goes over the top to seal it. Now you take your backing plate, and you're gonna want to make sure that, that the end that's protruding outward is facing up. And then also, so this is the pin here and the opening's facing down, so to make sure that it's facing the right direction, the same direction as the artwork, you're gonna line it up with the art and then flip it this way, the opposite way, right? So it's lined up here, and then I flip it over, set it down. The part that's protruding upward is facing up. I'm gonna press one end, flip it around, press the other end, and there we go. Simple as that. I've got myself a new pin. Oh, how do we do magnets? Let's find that out. Same process. Take your plate, the end that's protruding outward, facing up. Get your artwork, put it over the top. You want to line it up as centered as you can. Get that polyurethane plastic piece to seal it in. And now you're going to take a backing plate again, but you're going to take the pin part of it out. So pull that out. I got two pieces, see? Again, you want the end that's protruding outward facing up. Doesn't matter which way now because we don't have a pin to worry about which way it's facing. Press one end, press the other end. Alright, so now we got the button with nothing on the back. So we also have these adhesive magnets available. Just peel the white backing off, and then you're gonna stick that as close to the center as you can. It's not perfect, don't worry about it. And now I got a magnet, as you can see. Sticks to metal as a magnet should. And that's it. So come on in to Studio 270, make your own buttons, make your own magnets. You could get creative on the designs, make your own designs, get stuff off the internet, whatever you want to do. Well, thank you for tuning in to Your Library at Home. Again, I'm Andrew Moore, and we hope to see you here in Studio 270, high schoolers. Thanks again.